Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to take another class of class 10. But before I take my class, I want to give you one information for you. As I think most of you have not seen that yesterday video, but those who want to like to watch my video of last one, they have to go the description of my channel, and for that one I am giving one demonstration. Once you see the demonstration, then you can understand how to subscribe and how to go to description of my channel. Let's show. Okay, those who don't know how to go through the description and how to subscribe, for them I am telling one thing. For subscribe, first you go to subscribe. Okay, then one bell icon is there, you press it. Then personalize, none and all is there, you select all. That means now you have subscribed of that channel. And next, if you want to go description part, you see one downward sign is there. You just press there, you are getting my all the videos whatever earlier I have sent. Okay, so I think now it is clear, but still if you find any doubts regarding that part, you definitely comment down in my channel, and accordingly I will give you the information. Okay, let's start my class. Okay guys, now what I am telling, that theorem 6.2 converts the BPT oblique Thales theorem. So BPT or Thales theorem, that one I have explained in my last video, and I think you have seen and you have watched that video. But today just I am telling about converse form. Just converse form, just I am going to the statement and then step by step you understand what I am telling. Okay. It is given that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So accordingly just I am drawing the figure. First you draw a triangle and we can name it, say ABC is a triangle, and a line, so D is a line. Okay, D is a line. So first you write the steps, write the statement. So what do you write there? Let ABC be a triangle in which DE divides the sides AB and AC of a triangle in the same ratio, of the triangle in the same ratio. Okay, now what to write there? So we can write AD by BD equal to AE by C. So this is the given part of the statement. I think this part is clear, what is given in the theorems. But what to prove there? You just mark this point. So what you prove there? Then the line is parallel to the third side. Now what to prove? We have to prove there DE parallel to BC. Last day class I have shown you that once these two lines are parallel, their parts are proportionally, their parts ratio are same. But now I am converse of that one. So what to prove? That part ratio same given, but you have to show there DE parallel to BC. Very simple. Just you go through that points I am showing now. So what are the proofs? How do you prove this one? Before you prove, one thing you construct there. Before you prove one thing we have to construct. Construction this one, DE parallel to DE dash is parallel to BC. So first we have to draw there D parallel to BC. So this one is parallel to BC. We considered, you have constructed this one D parallel to BC. As DE parallel to BC, D dash parallel to BC, so we can write AD by BD equal to AE dash by C dash. How? By BPT or Thales theorem. By BPT theorem, we can learn there. We know that parts are in same ratio. So we can write this one equal to this. So if you consider whatever given, that equation is 1, and we are considering this one is equation 2. Now what can you write? You see, from 1 and 2, we can write there one thing you just see, AD by BD and AD by BD both are left hand side are same. So right hand side must be there equal. A by CE equal to A dash by C dash. Okay, can write from 1 and 2 by comparison. Now A by CE plus 1 and A dash by C dash plus 1. Just you write there, adding both side 1. Because of in any equation we can add any number, say anything, any numbers, any variable as it is our required. So we can add 1 to the both sides. Okay. So once you add both sides, then what you are getting, just look at this side. So we are getting there C is an, okay, what can you write? AE plus C, and this side we are getting C dash A dash plus C dash. Then A plus C, look at the figure, AE plus C. Then what can you write? A plus C, that is AC, and this one remains same. And C AE dash and C dash, that also AC, and this one remains same. Now you see at the upper part of the fraction, that is numerator AC and AC are there, the AC will be cancelled. So what can you write? 1 by C E equal to 1 by C dash. So that is C equal to C dash. So you look at the figure, C E and C dash, C means this part and C dash is this one. Whether both are same? No, it is not possible. Okay, we are looking that it is not possible. Not possible. How? Just look at the figure. So what is our conclusion then? Therefore, E and E dash must be same point. Okay. Then in another language we can tell E and E dash must be coincide. Once E and E dash coincide, so we can write there DE parallel to BC. So with this idea it is proved. Okay. I think it is so simple, even easy also. Now one thing you remember, for the board exam also it is most important, BPT and converse of BPT. With this concept, I think you got this idea how to prove this. Okay. Now in next video, part 3, I will explain that criteria for triangles of similarity. Okay. So that one I explain in next class, and you just continue get the benefit of my class. You may subscribe my channel to get the regular notification of my classes, and I have shown how to subscribe. If you anyone find any problem, you can definitely comments down in my channel, and accordingly I will guide you. Okay. Thank you. All the best.